As I've shown previously and draw the first map for this event, the Shiveluch eruption has actually caused the flank failure of the volcanic dome. It's practically shattered it and created this big eruption. It was like a cap on top of the volcano, stopping it from erupting. And what happened was that this eruption led to explosion. You are seeing the aftermath of it now, and before and after images show the destruction of this volcanic dome. It shattered it. It was huge, and it is just the part that was heavier. You can see just near the volcano, many particles of it were released into the atmosphere as I predicted and was shown in this analysis of myself in a few videos ago. And as you can see, the clear up is starting now. The snow has melted. The first sunny day, we can see clearly the damage has done. Underneath this ash was the snow, which is not melted.
Вот такая вот тема. Не знаю, что с этим лесом, как его распиливать. Ну, что-нибудь придумаем.
A great team effort to rescue workers and firefighters actually a lot of work is just beyond the means of the normal ordinary people. The landscape is a landscape of the solution. As you can see, the rivers are covered, practically blocked by the mud and the amount of the ash created. The forest is completely incinerated, as you can see here. This was a pyroclastic surge creating all of this. And it almost reminds me of what we saw in the Tunguska meteor impact or Mount St. Helens after the blast. This is a bigger scale of it. Flights in in Alaska are cancelled now, and in Arizona up to Washington State, people can actually see the ash wispy clouds in the sky. They can smell the sulfur. If we reach the southern part of the Canada and northern Canada up to the Tuesday, and beyond that we will reach the east coast probably even of the United States of America. Sulfur smell is actually one of the signatures of the volcanic eruptions beside the human things. In that sense, we are very similar. Our planet is very similar to the Io, the Jovian or Jupiter satellite. Is a volcanic world on its own. As you can see, the devastation of the landscape and the houses, everything is really heartbreaking. People will try to build up their life back. You can see the ash cloud being carried toward the Alaska, Canada. It get dispersed. In my previous video, I've shown that how far it goes. As you can see, the flights are affected by this. All coastal areas, which are actually the most hospitable parts of the Canada and the United States, Alaska state, is being dispersed. The ash can actually jam and block the jet engines of the airplanes, so it is a hazard to them. We issue all the time this warnings and alerts to the commercial airplanes and military airplanes to let them know what's going on to happen. Shiveluch erupted and shattered